Sick.
Got myself an extra knife. Come with me, buddy.
And then Max. Oh, I'm dead. I didn't know it was Johnny.
No. Come in, I'm coming.
Thank you.
I got him.
Saboteur's still active.
Leatherface is I'm gonna die. I'm dying. Go. I did the job.
This can't be the end. We can squeeze past it.
I know where the fuse is, by the way. I'm dead.
How are you?
No. Oh my gosh, dude.
You door slam him?
Why isn't he trying to go through? Let's immediately proceed.
Dude, Rick.
Watch this.
Hello. There's no way. Right there.
I better not miss this. I hit her. She incapped. Kill her. Yes. Yes, girl! Kill her!
What the hell?
Oh my gosh!
I got the well trap set up. I got well trap.
No, I'm just chasing her. There's a well. I just barged her. She just started standing still. Again. I missed the swing. Oh no. Oh no. Oh.
Come on. Well.
Uh-oh.
She welling?
Wait. She might get out. She might get out.
That's okay.
She got out.
The body that tracks you.
What are you watching? It's okay. What are you watching?
What the fuck?
We heard you.
Reportedly included
What are you watching?
a terrible song to the subject
What
of the
the
film.
Hi, Polyax. What are you watching?
With TV spots,
What the
billboards,
fuck
and
am I hearing?
Dude, what? Whoa. Dude, please go on mute. What are we hearing right now?
What the fuck?
Okay. Hey yo, okie dokie, alright. So I want you to trap
Maybe you should actually listen to this guy.
Zen, and then I'll trap battery. That sound good?
Yeah, that sounds good to me.
Oh, Julie's already dead, by the way.
We made her well.
No!
She's welling, you probably can see
I gotta
her.
destroy this barricade. I gotta destroy this barricade in time.
She did it,
You get her?
Oh, yeah, she's...
Dude.
What is she doing?
Oh my god,
No! What are you doing? What are you doing?
God.
Oh my god. I hope he dies.
and I'm dead.